Hello friend, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Our subject is Information Technology, code is 402. Our second part of the basic ICT skills. We will discuss in this class about the computer operations. How can we open our computer system? How can we shut down our computer system? Some operating system, what is the meaning of the operating system, types of operating system, task of operating system, file, folder, keyboard, mouse, and some common tasks of computer system. First, we will discuss about the how can we start our computer system. First, switch on the main power, then open your UPS button, then CPU, and after that your desktop will be appear on your monitor. If you want to be switch off your computer system or shut down your computer system, just go to the start button. After that, right side you can see there shutdown option and just click on this option, then your computer will be shut down. Now our operating system based on CUI or GUI. In the earlier days, people are using the CUI. CUI means command user interface, where you first type the command, after that your application will be open. But nowadays, if we are using Windows, Microsoft Windows, Linux, all are the based on GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. In graphical user interface, we just recognize the application icon and just click that particular icon application and our application will be open. Like you can see here, some kind of the applications are open and we can easily recognize with the help of the icon. So we can open any application here. Now we will discuss about the operating system. What is the meaning of the operating system? An operating system acts like an interface between the user or computer hardware. Means computer hardware like CPU, keyboard, mouse, motherboard, buses, any kind of the hardware that can you use are in your system, and user like me and you, those are using the computer system. So a operating system works as like an interface between user or computer hardware. Without an operating system, no system will be run. So same here, if you don't have a CPU, so you can't open or run your system. Some kind of the task that is done by the operating system. Process creation means any kind of the process means any application those are running, they are any working on computer system, that is the creation of the process. If you want to be next is process termination. If you want process terminate, then can you use your operating system. Next task is memory management by process. How many memory it consumed by a process, that is also managed by the operating system. Disk space management. Your hard disk, how much it has spacing using, that is also managed by operating system. Peripheral management. Peripheral means which kind of the input or output device you are using here, that is also managed by operating system. Process management, which process has to come first and which process will be used later, that is also done by the operating system. So we can say easily here the all kind of the operations on the computer system done by the operating system, and operating system control over all our computer system. Now we will discuss about some types of operating system. First is time sharing. In time sharing operating system, we are using online a CPU, but number of the people are using a single CPU. Means we are more than persons are using a single CPU here, but we all are using our keyboard, mouse, monitor, means input or devices will be different. Next is multiprocessing. In multiple processing computer system, we are using more than 2 processors, means 2 or more than 3 processors we are using here for a single program. Multi-user operating system. In multi-user operating system allows us to multiple users yani at the same time. A single PC we are using here, but multiple people are using a single computer system. GUI, I already told you, GUI is graphical user interface. You can easily recognize any application with the help of the icon here, so you can easily operate your computer system. GUI is used by Apple Macintosh and Windows operating system. Next is file and folder. What is the meaning of a file is here. A file has used store information in computer system. We can store a large amount of in computer system. A file can be stored small data also in it. If you are using a large amount of data in your computer in file, then your file size will be increased. If you are using a little amount of data in your file, then your size of the file will be small. A file having the two parts. First is file name, and after dot we are using the extension. Like if you are using in MS Word file and your file name is ABC, so your file name is ABC here, and after that .docx, that is a part of extension. Similar here, if you are using a text file here, Urmila is a file name here, and .txt is an extension is here. Next topic is folder. What is the meaning of a folder? In a computer system, we having the multiple files stored in folder. A folder having also multiple folders, that is known as a subfolders. Main folder which having the subfolders in it, that is known as a root folder also. If you are saving two files with same name like Urmila and Urmila, both are the similar name, so we can't store in a single folder. If we want to save these both files, then we use different folders. Next is mouse and keyboard. Keyboard and mouse both are the input devices. Both are using for the given the instruction to the computer system. Keyboard having the multiple keys are here, which is the longest key is here, that is known as space bar, that is gives the space in the two letter or two words. ESC is in a key is here. If any kind of the window will be appear here by mistake, then you can use ESC. Then enter button is used to go to the next line. Arrow buttons, there are four kind of the arrow buttons: up, down, right and left. These are also using for the gamings. We having two keypads here, number keypads here 0 to 9. Another keys are also alphabetical keys A to Z. Some special characters also in a keyboard. Some functions keys here, that is F1 to F12. These functions keys help to do the specific task. Some special keys like delete, alt, these are the special keys. Next is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. If you want to be point any topic, if you want to be click there, then you can use mouse. Mouse having two buttons, left button or right button. If you want to be open the main content, then you use the left button. If you use the right button, then just click right button, that file or folder, then a sub menu will be appear. You can choose any option from there like open, rename, delete. You can choose from there. Next is we can do some common desktop operation like a change wallpaper of your computer system. If you want to be change wallpaper, then just right click on your desktop where is an empty area, then click on personalize option, and then you can choose any background wallpaper. It can be blank, it can be multiple pictures are here. So guys, hope you like my video. So please like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Thank you.